So let us discuss what is the true religion. The English word religion and the Dharma are two different subjects. The Dharma is the constitutional nature of any object. For example, the Dharma of fire is to burn. In whatever situation, wherever in the world, whoever puts his hand in fire, the fire is going to burn. This is the Dharma of fire. Similarly, the Dharma of sugar is sweetness. Dharma of air is to flow. Air will always keep on flowing. So this is called Dharma, is the inherent nature of any object or a thing which never changes in whatever situation, external or internal. This is called Dharma. Whereas religion is a faith which could be changed with time. Now let us analyze what is the Dharma of the soul. We are a body, and inside this body there is a soul. And the Dharma of the soul is to love the Supreme Lord. This is the eternal Dharma of every living entity, every soul. Whatever the situation, everyone and anyone in this universe, every living being loves the Supreme Lord because that is his Dharma. That is the Dharma of the soul. So this is a natural propensity to love the Supreme. It's not an artificial thing. Another fact, if we are not acting as per our original nature, we start experiencing strong frustration, disappointment. So to avoid this disappointment and the frustration in our lives, we should accept and we should behave according to our constitutional nature or constitutional Dharma. And this Dharma is to love the Supreme Lord. This loving propensity towards the Supreme Lord could be really developed and revealed to us by the chanting of the holy names Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. The process to uncover this original dormant loving propensity to the Supreme Lord is chanting of the holy names and the real Dharma. Therefore, this is called Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan means eternal. This is eternal Dharma. This is not something which began 500 years ago or 1000 years ago or 5000 years ago. This is the Dharma of the soul. From the day it was born, it came in this world, in this creation. The universal Dharma of all the souls is to love the Supreme Lord. And there are different processes which uncovers this loving propensity, and they are the different faiths. Therefore, the faith is like Christianity, Muslim, Hindu, Jewish, different type of faiths, Buddhism. But the underlying fact is only one: how to love the God. This is the true religion. Religion teaches how to love God. So every religion is teaching the same principle, how to love God. And this is our inherent nature to love God. Thank you so much. Please subscribe our channel. Continue listening to these inspiring videos and apply in your life. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.